Yeah, steady. I think I've got the hang of it. Plastic's off, hanging. I decided to support that for now. To support the swing arm. Can't decide whether to take the wheel out or not. Do I actually need to take the wheel out? I think not. Right, I think we might be ready. Yeah. Right, the camera battery's about to go flat. There you go, it's gone flat. I don't know if there's a correct order for this. I was going to say at the beginning of the video, this is not an instructional video. I don't actually know what I'm doing. That surprises no one. Right, it's not coming out, that one. Right, oh, all I want is a whacker. Oop, a spare bit. Oh shit. Oh, I forgot my towel again. I'm going to ruin these jeans, aren't I? Oh, you're joking. Slight problem. I can't get that bolt out unless I take the exhaust off. Oh no. Well, I can. I've got to take that. If I take that other one out. Right, this is where the swearing starts. Right, well, that one's got to come out this way, hasn't it? So if I can take that one out, I can swing the whole thing down. In theory. Look, I'm going to get all my nice top all dirty. Right, I might have to lie down. Where'd that go? In there. I'm going to try and keep it together, I suppose. Right, so now that one should come out. Ah, oh, that bends down. I should get that out now, shouldn't I? Oh, fuck. I could go around the other side, couldn't I? That might make it a bit easier. Oh, shit. Right, well there you go. That wasn't too bad, was it? Oh. Ah, no, we don't want to lose that bit. A bit gritty. Oh, all that bit. Oh shit, we're getting the right muddle now. I'll clean these up before I put them back on, obviously. Filthy, oh, filthy. That one goes on that one. Lovely. Right. There you go. One dog leg and some bearings. Right, I'm hoping I can just go to the bearing shop and it'll say, yeah, we can get you some of them. Because I can't actually find any online. Got that bit. What we need to do now is get the there's a special hole there, look. Get the shock off. Right, I've got a special tool for that. I did actually press record on that, didn't I? Right, hopefully the sound's good as well. Right, window wipes, that's what you need. I haven't really thought this through at all, surprisingly enough. Does it come? Oh, it should go up, I suppose, shouldn't it? Alright, we'll all find out in a minute. Oh, there you go, it's the right size, look. Is that the bit I'm doing? No, I don't want that bit, do I? I want the top bit. Flaming idiot. Nope. 21. 22? Yes. Yes, yes. I shall whack it. Unfortunately, I can only find a rubber hammer. Don't think that's going to work, is it? Right, well, I finally got the shock out. I thought I'd save you that. Yeah, basically, you got to take that bit out as well. That was it, goes that way out. That was a bit of a bugger, but I had to leave it to soak for a bit. And that came out lovely. There. Now, all I've got to do, yeah, that's the other thing, bearings for the dog leg. I took them to, was it J&M Belts and Bearings. I went to their Latchington outlet, whatever you call it. And he looked at it and said, oh, well, they're fairly standard bearings. I shouldn't have a problem getting them. I'll give you a call back in an hour or so with price and availability. Didn't hear from him for a couple of days. And I ended up going in. He said, oh, I was just about to call you. I think he wasn't bullshitting. But yeah, anyway, it turns out the internal diameter's fairly standard, but the external diameter was slightly oversized. He said it's an automotive thing, I don't know. He said he has the same trouble with KTMs. But yeah, anyway, so I ended up buying them. I did find them online in the end from Fowler's. I can't think what they come to, 185 quid or something. So yeah, I've still got to get those out. I'll probably save that from video. But yeah, so then I've still got to do that. And then stick lovely new shock on. This is lovely. I'll stick this in a different video, obviously, because it's dragging on a bit, but oh, isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? But yeah, so that's it. That is shock removal on the GSXR750 SRAD. Oh, we'll try and put this back together again now. I don't really want to put it on. It's going to get all dirty. But yeah, that will be lovely. And then I haven't even started on the front end, obviously. But I could have sent the forks off, but I haven't even done that yet. So I should get my arse in gear and do that really. Alright, anyway, next video we'll put it all back on again. Or putting the new stuff back on again. I think that's it really. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell button and all the other things. And you see me swearing, putting it all back together again. Yay! Oh, the camera's fallen off. Right.